Keto surprises hidden carbs lurk everywhere. The ketogenic diet is all about low carbs and high fats, but did you know that hidden carbs can sneak into your meals without you even realizing it? Think you know what's allowed on keto? It's not always as straightforward as it seems. Even seasoned keto dieters can be caught off guard by foods that appear to be low carb but are actually loaded with sugars and starches. You might be surprised. Many foods seem keto-friendly but are actually packed with hidden carbs. For instance, some salad dressings, sauces, and even certain vegetables can contain more carbs than you'd expect. Always check the nutritional labels carefully. These sneaky carbs can kick you out of ketosis and stall your progress. Imagine thinking you're doing everything right, only to find out that your favorite snack is the culprit behind your stalled weight loss or fluctuating ketone levels. Let's unmask these culprits and find delicious keto-friendly alternatives. By being vigilant and making informed choices, you can stay on track with your keto journey. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods, and when in doubt, make your own meals at home to ensure you know exactly what's in them. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and avoid hidden carbs. Experiment with new recipes and discover the joy of creating tasty, keto-friendly dishes that keep you in ketosis and satisfied. Remember, the key to a successful keto diet is knowledge and preparation. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and enjoy the benefits of a low-carb lifestyle without the hidden surprises. Yogurt friend or foe on the keto journey. Yogurt, often touted as a health food, can be a keto trap. Flavored yogurts, even those labeled low-fat, are often loaded with sugar. Fruit-on-the-bottom varieties are another culprit. These added sugars quickly add up, sabotaging your keto goals. Fruit frenzy, nature's candy, and keto's limits. Fruits are often referred to as nature's candy because of their natural sweetness and vibrant colors. They are a delightful treat that many people enjoy daily. Fruits are naturally sweet and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. They provide a burst of energy and are a great source of hydration due to their high water content. However, despite their numerous health benefits, fruits are also high in carbohydrates. This is particularly important for those following a ketogenic diet, which requires a significant reduction in carbohydrate intake to maintain ketosis. While some berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, can be enjoyed in moderation on a keto diet due to their lower sugar content, high-sugar fruits like bananas, grapes, and mangoes are generally off-limits. These fruits contain higher amounts of natural sugars, which can quickly add up and exceed the daily carbohydrate limit for those on a ketogenic diet. Consuming high-sugar fruits can cause blood sugar spikes, which can be problematic for individuals trying to manage their blood glucose levels. These spikes can lead to increased insulin production, making it difficult for the body to stay in a state of ketosis. Staying in ketosis is crucial for the success of a ketogenic diet, as it allows the body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. To achieve and maintain ketosis, it is essential to carefully monitor carbohydrate intake and choose low-carb fruits that fit within the dietary guidelines. Incorporating keto-friendly fruits into your diet can still provide the benefits of fruit without compromising your ketogenic goals. Berries, avocados, and olives are excellent choices that offer essential nutrients while keeping carbohydrate intake in check. Educating yourself about the carbohydrate content of different fruits and planning your meals accordingly can help you enjoy the best of both worlds, the nutritional benefits of fruits and the metabolic advantages of ketosis. When shopping for fruits, always check the nutrition labels and opt for those with lower carbohydrate content. This mindful approach will ensure that you stay on track with your ketogenic diet while still enjoying the natural sweetness and health benefits that fruits have to offer. You can also get creative with keto-friendly fruit recipes such as smoothies, salads, and desserts to add variety and flavor to your diet. By making informed choices and being mindful of your carbohydrate intake, you can successfully navigate the world of fruits while adhering to your ketogenic lifestyle. Ultimately, the key to balancing nature's candy with keto's limits lies in understanding the nutritional content of fruits and making choices that align with your dietary goals. With the right approach, you can enjoy the best of both worlds and thrive on your ketogenic journey. Fast food fiascos, unmasking hidden carbs. Fast food is notoriously high in carbs, often hiding in sauces, breadings, and sugary drinks. Even seemingly healthy salads can be saboteurs, with hidden sugars in dressings and toppings. Navigating the fast food landscape requires careful scrutiny of ingredients. The healthy halo: beware of marketing traps. Don't be fooled by low-fat or sugar-free labels. Many processed foods use sugar alcohols or artificial sweeteners that can still impact blood sugar levels. Always read labels carefully and choose whole unprocessed foods whenever possible. Keto-friendly swaps, satisfying your cravings. The good news is that you can still enjoy delicious food while on keto. Many keto-friendly alternatives can satisfy your cravings without compromising your goals. Let's explore some tasty swaps for those keto no-nos. Yogurt alternatives. Creamy, delicious, and keto-approved. Plain, full-fat Greek yogurt is a keto superstar. It's high in protein and low in carbs, making it a perfect base for keto-friendly snacks and meals. Add some berries, nuts, and a drizzle of sugar-free syrup for a satisfying treat. Fruitful choices, low-carb delights for your sweet tooth. Curb your sweet cravings with low-carb fruits like raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These berries are packed with antioxidants and can be enjoyed in moderation on keto. Avocado is another excellent option, providing healthy fats and a creamy texture. Fast food fixes, keto-friendly options on the go. Fast food doesn't have to be off limits. Many chains offer keto-friendly options like bunless burgers, grilled chicken salads, hold the croutons and sugary dressing, or protein boxes. Be sure to ask for nutritional information to make informed choices. Mindful eating, your key to keto success. Staying in ketosis requires constant awareness of your food choices. Read labels carefully, avoid processed foods, and focus on whole, nutrient-dense options. Mindful eating allows you to nourish your body while staying true to your keto goals. Fueling your body, fueling your life. The keto diet is more than just a weight loss plan, it's a lifestyle change that prioritizes health and well-being. By focusing on high-fat, low-carb foods, the keto diet helps your body enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This metabolic shift can lead to numerous health benefits, including improved mental clarity, increased energy levels, and better blood sugar control. By making conscious food choices, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as leafy greens, fatty fish, and healthy oils, ensures that your body gets a balanced intake of essential vitamins and minerals. These foods not only support your physical health but also contribute to your overall well-being, helping you feel more vibrant and alive. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body and support your keto journey. Whether you're enjoying a hearty keto breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a delicious dinner, each meal is a chance to make choices that align with your health goals. Embrace the variety of flavors and textures that keto-friendly foods offer and take pride in the positive changes you're making for your body and your life. The journey to better health is a continuous one, and every step you take brings you closer to a more energized, healthier you.